Hello everyone, this is the 8th episode of XY Global's service story. Today, let's talk to our Terry. The story between him and his customer may help you customize your mechanical parts and gain more effective experience.
Hi, this is Terry. Today we are going to talk about the service story between our customer and XY Global.
Can you briefly introduce the background of this project?
Sure. Our customer is from American, and his project for us is to modify bicycle.
What process is our product made of? What material is it made of?
We use advanced CNC technology, and the material is titanium alloy.
What specific requirements do customers have for the product?
The customer has very strict requirements on appearance and size, and he hopes that it can coordinate with other components.
Are there any specific requirements for delivery, function, or appearance?
The customer wants the surface treatment is mirror polishing plus DLC coating.
What is the biggest challenge encountered during the processing?
So I think the biggest challenge during the early communications is that many details may be confused, and the production requirements need to be confirmed in several emails and sent back to the customer.
How is the processing cycle and quality controller guaranteed?
Mostly, we produce parts in 3 to 5 days and deliver to the customer within 2 weeks. It depends on the complexity and quantity of the parts. To ensure quality, we use advanced testing requirements such as 3D testing equipment, CCD, and other equipment to test the size, tolerance, and surface treatment of the parts. So this is not a big problem. Production and quality is our first guarantee.
What is the final delivery effect?
Obviously, our customer is very satisfied and pleased.
Did the customer provide any feedback or suggestions? Did this project lead to subsequent cooperation?
The client was satisfied with the delivery and efficiency. We have reached an initial agreement for the next project and plan to launch for the next quarter.
What do you think is the most valuable experience in this project?
In the communication with customers, I learned a lot about bicycles and how to add a trailer behind the car.
Thank you for watching our service story. XY Global, your one-stop, high-value, low-quantity mechanical partner.
Bye, see you!